Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We would discuss about Chat GPT. That's kind of a buzzword currently in the industry. Everyone is talking about Chat GPT and you know AI is going to take our jobs and so on and so forth. So I give it a thought and then I prepare myself to test it out and see what exactly it can do and what not. So to do that, what we can do is we can log into Chat GPT OpenAI platform, uh, and you can do that with your email ID. And just sign up for that, and once you log in, you will get this page where on the left hand side you can see you have the conversations. Your previous conversation are listed out there, and on the right hand side bottom you have to put in your questions, right? So you can see I have put in a question there to create a IaC infrastructure as code template, right? Cloud formation template, uh, and it created a cloud formation template for me. So yes, it does work, and it does work for real. So I would give the similar uh, task to it, even by like creating a VPC with two subnets. Uh, okay, and see if it creates that. And this example is for AWS CDK, right? What it does, it creates those templates for you, create those code snippet for you, and gives you the example how to apply those and create your cloud resources. Right? I would try different programming or different declarative syntaxes or code snippets. One is for with CFN, another one is with CDK, and I would write the same thing with Terraform. And let's see if it creates all of them for us. And what I've did is after creating all these, I have tried it second time. Okay, and I saw surprisingly the results are not same. And you can further optimize the code also. Just typing in optimize, it will optimize the code for you. So that is insane. Okay, and it does create the code, give you steps to execute those codes and whatnot. And if you want to clear your conversation, head to the left hand side and click on confirm clear conversation. It will clear the conversation for you, right? And it does really well to answer your question. So um, the buzzword is right. You can create, you can write code literally every language uh, that is available till 2021. You can create code in that, though it is not optimized or it is not always correct. to create those codes, but it will give you a glimpse of what coming in next 5 years, right? Um, it would literally learn. The AI model will learn itself and try to improvise, right? And even today also, uh, it is in preview mode, and it can do uh, uh, make life simple with creating all the simple code snippets available over the internet, and it just you give one-liner one-liner sentence, and it does the job for you. So saying that, so that is awesome. I'm fully convinced that it could be it could be the thing of future, and uh, definitely it will going to be better from here. Thanks for watching this video, and do watch till the video end, and to see how it creates templates in different languages available, or different technologies available for infrastructure as code. Thank you.